There's Bella. She's got her Springer. What a sweetie heart she is. Thought maybe we'd get a nice little something for you to see. Oh, look at that Springer shining in the sunlight. Oh, baby. It rides like an Eldorado. It's fucking phenomenal. It is so much nicer than I would have ever imagined. I can hardly believe I have this gorgeous bike. And they fixed everything, went all the way through it. Brand new 3-inch primary belt, brand new. Brand new 2-inch drive belt, brake pads, springs, rods, not rods for the engine, but rods for the pins are called. Absolutely fucking phenomenal. Look at that front end. But it is a joy to drive. Oh my God, it is nice. It is really, really, really something special. And yeah, it's longer, but it rides wonderful. Brand new caliper, brand new pads, brand new, just about everything. Pardon me. Yeah, take a look at them. Yep. And the worms are coming out, so we're getting ready to them bastards. But let me get one more picture.
Get yourself on there.
Guys, this fella's finally got her Springer.
It's going, right?
Yep, it's going.
Oh yeah,
You just put it wherever you want it to be, like
Yep.
you're watching television.
All right.
That's my neighbor Kathy. She's wonderful. She's willing to do some of this. But yeah, the new Springer, it's like an Eldorado now, next to a Corvair. It's phenomenal. Come around this side, Kathy, where the light's good. It's going on my YouTube channel tonight.
All right.
Yeah, guys, it was well worth it. $3,000 for the labor, $7,000 for the parts, and well worth every penny because it's phenomenal. I liked it last year, but there's no comparison to how wonderful it is now. It's just, you know you ran over a bump, but you never felt the bump. And it handles so light, you would swear it was like a 350. You would not know it was a big bike. It's really, really, I couldn't be happier. So Rick, Ferretti, God bless you. Bridget Bring, God bless you. Keep making these, because they're awesome. God bless you too, Kathy.
You're welcome.
All right, we'll call it a day. But isn't that an amazing thing? Just glad to be home. Oh, Jesus is wonderful. And he loves me. Yeah. All right. Bye-bye now. Hey, Michael, take a look at the sky, buddy. Those are black flies. Those are the males, though. Yeah, those are the males. They don't bite you, thank God, but you don't want a fucking eyeball full of them. But the females are out, too, and they are biting. And they'll be biting worse as the time progresses. And but about Memorial Day in May, they'll be gone. That'll be the end of them for the year. What do you think? Bella's home, yay, for her birthday.